Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Selenium using VS Code. We'll explore how this powerful combination streamlines your web automation efforts. Selenium is a robust tool for browser automation, and Visual Studio Code provides an excellent platform for writing, debugging, and managing your test scripts. Together, they create a highly productive environment for developers and quality assurance engineers alike, making your automation tasks much smoother and more enjoyable. Visual Studio Code brings several key advantages to your Selenium workflow. Its integrated terminal means you can run your tests and manage dependencies without leaving the editor. The vast extension marketplace offers tools for various programming languages and testing frameworks, significantly boosting your productivity. Plus, VS Code's powerful debugging capabilities make identifying and fixing issues in your Selenium scripts much faster and more intuitive. Using VS Code for Selenium significantly enhances your productivity and workflow. It supports many popular programming languages like Python, Java, and C#, allowing flexibility for your projects. Seamless integration with version control systems, such as Git, makes team collaboration straightforward and efficient. The editor's customizable interface lets you tailor your workspace, ensuring a comfortable and highly personalized coding experience for every automation task. To optimize your Selenium setup with VS Code, always install the necessary language-specific extensions for features like IntelliSense and linting. Make full use of the debugging tools to efficiently pinpoint and correct any issues in your automation scripts. Maintaining a well-organized project structure with clear file and folder naming conventions will greatly improve the maintainability of your tests. Regularly updating your editor and extensions ensures you benefit from the latest improvements and security patches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.